What's up guys, Tay here from TayWilkins.com, and I just wanted to make a quick video on a few of the best ways that you can promote affiliate products. Now, there are plenty of ways to promote affiliate products, but most of these ways are honestly just a waste of time. So today, I'm going to go over 6 of the best ways you can promote affiliate products so you can spend less time finding out what works and more time on implementing and seeing results. But before we get started guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Okay guys, no more wasting time, let's jump into this one, with the first being YouTube. YouTube can be one of the easiest ways to promote affiliate products. You don't have to invest in any upfront costs. If you have a computer or a smartphone, then you have everything you need. Now, there are a ton of people that believe that you need to be on camera or have this extremely energetic personality or be super funny in order to make it on YouTube, which honestly is not the case. If you don't feel like you're entertaining, your next option is to provide useful information. How-tos are the way to go, and the best part is you can create how-to videos without ever standing in front of a camera. If you take a look at this channel, this person makes cooking tutorials. You never see the person's face, nor do you hear them speak. All you see is a video with some music and some text, and if you check out Social Blade, this channel has really high earnings potential. And that's without the use of any external links they might be pushing. Now, the one major downside to YouTube is that it's going to take time before your videos start to rank high and you can get that high view count. It's going to take consistency, meaning you'll have to post often, and depending on the niche you choose, it could take a few months or a few years before you start seeing any levels of success. The flip side, however, is that once you do start ranking high, not only do you get that YouTube ad revenue, but you should also have a big enough audience to push any affiliate program or offer. Another great platform to push affiliate offers is Instagram. You've got tons of options with how you post content on Instagram. You've got live videos, short form videos. You can create posts with simple pictures and text. You're very flexible here. You can push links in the description of your post, or you can do what I do and lead people to your bio where you can provide your links there. You can also make live posts where you have people interact, like swiping, which can also be used to send people to affiliate offers. Like YouTube, it's going to take time to build an audience, but it's a little easier to deal with here. Like YouTube tags, you can use Instagram hashtags to target specific groups of people who are interested in whatever topic or niche you are covering. You can also gain followers by looking up people in your niche with high follower counts and following their followers. This method right here is honestly tedious and can get very annoying and time consuming, but it's a decent way to get potential followers because you know these people are already interested in your niche. Alright, so going into number 3 on this list, which kind of goes under the radar, and that's Pinterest. Pinterest reported to have around 291 million active users monthly, 175 billion pins, and projections of 2 billion in revenue by 2020. That's a lot of traffic, content, and money flowing through the platform. To be completely honest, I thought Pinterest was kind of dead, but I was quickly proved wrong. Pinterest has come a long way since I first used it. You can now create a Pinterest business account where you can post links to external sources like websites and affiliate programs or offers. You can now create video pins, which will really help your pins stand out, and the most important in my opinion is the promoted pins. You can spend a little extra cash to put your pins in front of a larger audience. Posting pins on Pinterest is slightly different compared to other social media platforms. It's more geared towards actually promoting your stuff outside of Pinterest, which is a good thing. Now, something that I will add when using Pinterest is that not all affiliate programs are welcomed on Pinterest, and sometimes when you're trying to post them, they may get blocked. So you have 2 options here. You can either try to mask those affiliate links, or you may have to direct your audience to a website, which then you can go ahead and use your website to go ahead and push affiliate offers. The option is up to you, but Pinterest is still a really good way to promote affiliate offers. Coming in at fourth is email marketing. Hands down, this is one of the best, if not the best method for promoting products. Every major player in the game uses email marketing. Email marketing is one of the more difficult methods for building an audience. You'll have to use a variety of methods like the ones mentioned in this video to build an email list. But once you have your list, you have the potential to consistently make a lot of money. As I mentioned, there are several ways to build a list. First, you can use the methods mentioned earlier to create content to send people to a landing page where you can trade a free piece of content like a free ebook or video in exchange for their email address. You can also buy solo ads, or there are programs out there that will give you access to lists for a monthly fee. Moving on, we have Facebook ads. If you want to target a specific audience, Facebook is the way to go. Facebook collects data on everything, and with over 2 billion active monthly users, they have the data. Every post you like or dislike, every video you watch, every conversation you engage in, your political preference, the list goes on and on. While this will most likely piss off the average Joe, all this data collection is actually great for business. When it comes to business, Facebook ads allows you to target a very specific group of people, making it super easy to put your business or products in front of the people who matter the most. Facebook ads aren't cheap though. They can get pretty expensive. Now, not nearly as expensive as traditional television or radio advertising, but it's still going to take a little bit of an investment. While it's one of the better methods of promoting products and actually getting good results, you really have to know what you're doing. You could end up losing a lot of money if you're not targeting the right demographic or your ads are performing poorly. There's a lot of testing involved, so I wouldn't jump into Facebook ads without watching a few YouTube videos or taking a few courses on it first. And last up on this list today is YouTube ads. Right on the heels of Facebook ads is YouTube ads. YouTube has 1.6 billion active users worldwide with over 1 billion hours watched. That's a lot of eyes on the platform, and that's a lot of ads that they can push. YouTube works a bit differently than Facebook in that creating an ad for your Google or YouTube account is more focused on keywords and key phrases. Just like with Facebook ads, you have to be careful. This is focused more on spending cash, and you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. It's going to take some knowledge of how Google or YouTube ads works and a bit of testing, but if you can get it right, you have the potential to make a good amount of money using YouTube ads. Alright guys, so that's all I've got for today. These are my 6 picks for promoting affiliate products. There are plenty more on the internet, and some of them could be okay, but I think these are the best ones to use as of 2019 and going into 2020. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.